Okay, ladies, I've coached 10 men lastly that are avoidant. So I really asked them some questions. I wanted to enter in their mind, understand all their emotions, so I can make sure that I will do a new video and explain to you what avoidant men really want. Because there is a lot of preconceived notions, there is a lot of false beliefs, there is a lot of assumptions, but most of the time, you don't really know what to do. You don't really know what do they want. And so I use those men that are amazing from all ages, but they are avoidant. They discovered or they know that they are avoidant. So we were able to have a really candid conversations. And I took some notes. There is 8 points that I wanted to share with you. What I want to start this video is to tell you that being with an avoidant means I understand that he's different. He's not coming from all the advice from the society, from, Disney, Hollywood, what your mom and dad will tell you. Most of the time they are different and we need to accept them for the way they are. I would even go further. If you can understand someone, an avoidant in this case, but an anxious, someone that is codependent, someone that is secure, someone that is sensational because they love the challenge. When you can understand someone, it's so easy to have a great relationship. It is just so easy to build something great. So when do we have problem in love? When we try to change someone. If you know that he's an avoidant and you love some part of his personalities, we need to also accept his flaws. We need to also accept what he does wrong. Because if we try to change him, we lose ourselves. We are losing our energy. Most of the time, it doesn't work. That's why I created an amazing gift to help you understand, to help you attract, and to help you as well get back with an avoidant. The link is in the description box below. I want you to go a little bit deeper, so you will love it. Okay, let's start with tip number 1, or I would say point number 1, because what do they want? Number 1, they have a need. It's not like I want something. No, I have a need of freedom and time for myself. Every avoidant that I have coached, every avoidant that I talk to, they value freedom and time for themselves. So when they take time for themselves, it's not against you. They are not thinking, what can I do to not see her? What can I do for myself? If they are not telling you, let's meet when they have a weekend for themselves, it's not against you. It's because they want a need, or they will be looking for the freedom to do what they want. It's a little bit selfish, I get it. But an avoidant have this selfishness inside with also other qualities. Remember, we cannot have the perfect man. They don't exist. Even your favorite coach, which is me, I'm not perfect. So we need to always look at their qualities and the flaws. But point number 1, or tip number 1, they really want freedom and they love time for themselves. Tip number 2. And this one was difficult for me to understand as a coach. They seem to want to do good, but most of the time they don't know what to do. Because avoidant, they are not able to process their emotions. They are not really able to understand your emotions, to put themselves in your shoes. They have a little bit of lack of empathy, which means that they want to do good. They don't know exactly what to do. My advice as a coach to you ladies, tell them, hey, this is what I would love right now. Don't tell them a list of everything they need to do, because you will lose them, you will put pressure, but just like, right now, this is what I would love. I think that if you give them a little bit of plan or actions, this will definitely help you. Tip number 3, that's very important as well. They don't want to be saved because they feel like every time something is happening in their life, you want to save them. If they share a problem, an issue at work, they're not expecting you to fix. They're just sharing their issue. Remember, the avoidant doesn't like the pity and they don't want you to fight and save them. This was tip number 3. Tip number 4, I told you that at the beginning of this video, I want to be accepting the way I am. Because if we look at every profile, every love situation, the person that we are trying to change the most are the avoidants. We want to change them because they don't communicate, they don't share their feelings, they don't show some commitment sometimes. They are a different breed. And so even in friendship, we want to change them. Hey, buddy, you didn't tell me you didn't wish me happy birthday. Hey, buddy, you didn't text me. They are avoidant, not just in love, but also in their life in general. Okay? So that was really, I would say, tip number 4. They want to be accepted the way they are. Tip number 5. They love to help you fix your issues. They have something in them where they feel like great. They feel like man when they are helping you with your own issues. Good news. Bad news, not too much. Sometimes it's okay for me to fix your problems. I love it. I feel like a man. But if it becomes consistent, I can lose my feelings. I can feel overwhelmed. I can feel like you rely too much on me. So ladies, you will have to find the right balance. And if you comment just right below, you will tell me about your situation. It's always the same. Alex, oh my God, I realized I was asking some help, but then it became too much for him and I didn't realize it. If you will know the number of breakups that I've seen, and I'm glad because I'm able to get your ex back, but the number of breakups I've seen just because we start asking for help, we feel it's what they want, but avoidant, they can feel overwhelmed quite quickly. So we have to be aware of this dynamic. Tip number 6, I don't want you to rely on me. I don't want you to be codependent. I don't want your happiness to rely on me. I want to make sure that I don't feel pressured. So this is tip number 6. I kept, of course, the last 2 because they are the best ones in my opinion as a coach. That's what will be mind-blowing. That's the reason why you need to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because I'm trying my best to help you understand what can you do with men, what can you do with avoidant men, and of course we find a solution. So remember, hit the like button and subscribe. So tip number 7, an avoidant, most of the time, they love when they hear no from you. They basically told me, Alex, I feel lighter when I hear no. Do you need my help? No. Why? Do you want to meet this weekend? Not really, I'm seeing my friends. Sometimes you will have to say no to your avoidant. So this way, you will continue to spark his interest in you. You will continue to spark his attention. And yes, you will be able to build an amazing relationship. Not just great, amazing. Because he will hear no, which usually nobody is doing it, especially his exes. So remember, an avoidant, most of the time they are in control. When you say no, you keep the control. Last tip that I really wanted to share with you. The avoidant, they are scared to be judged, not by you. They are scared to be judged by your family and by your friends. So if they hear that you're talking down about them to your friends and family, to the people that are surrounding you, they won't like it at all. Remember, they are not feeling great with themselves all the time. They feel very much judged. That's what happened with the avoidant. But that's why I'm telling you all of those points. And you can just access to my gift right in the description box. I will explain to you everything about avoidant behavior, how to build a relationship, how to create something strong so you can avoid the drama. Okay? I will see you very soon, ladies. Remember, if you want to work with me, because I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not here to just entertain you. I'm here as a coach, right? This is my office. This is where I coach you every single day. Let's click in the description, have a call with my success manager. He will study your situation and he will tell you, okay, we can help you. This is the best package. This is the best way to act. So it's a free assessment. The link is in the description and I will be more than happy to then assist you, help you, and be your coach. Okay? I will see you soon, ladies. Take good care of yourself.